Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel and another installment of Now That's Cool. This week we're not going to take a look at one car, we're going to take a look at a slew of cars. Last weekend at the South Carolina Modelers Association's Charleston Show, I meant to get with several people and record a few of the things that I really thought were cool, but time just got away from me between filming the vendors and talking to folks, doing some shopping and covering the show. I just didn't get a chance to get with people because a lot of people were packing up a little early. But I do want to share with you some stills that I took from the show of some cars that I thought were really, really cool. So let's get over to it. Toward the end of the day, I went back over to the contest tables to get a few still shots for my collection of contest car files. And sadly, it was late enough in the day that some people had already packed up and some people were starting to pack up. And I had remembered a number of cars from when I was filming the contest coverage that I wanted to go back and get stills of. So not all of them were in there, but this is just the ones that I did get that I thought were very well done and just really cool cars. So enjoy, guys.